and welcome to my channel. So today you are going to learn about Microsoft Virtual Training Days. This is not completely related to Dynamics, but this is related to Dynamics technology. I mean the dynamic applications. So people who wanted to do a certification before it was for free completely, like if let's say if you attend any virtual training and they used to give the complete 100% Microsoft coupons for free. You can write the exam for free. I think right now they are giving, Microsoft is offering only 50% discount on the trainings which you wanted to check. So there are list of events which you can able to see here: building generative apps with Azure AI service, and modernize your security operations with this Sentinel, Microsoft Sentinel. And you have you know manage Windows and Surface devices with Intune. So you have a different training. Like see here, this is security, compliance and identity fundamentals. And related to Copilot also we have the training, GitHubs and Copilot again. So you have a different training which is available. You can easily register it. I'll just show you for one, and you can follow the same for any training. So you have, these are all the trainings you can attend it for free. But the thing is, they will before they used to provide 100%, free. You can write the exam for free, which you make it may cost like 7,000 or 5,000, but right now they are giving only 50%. I'm just again just keeping a note for you. And other than that, so you can just see, click on registration and details. When you click on registration and details, it asks you your first name, last name, email address. You can just give your first name, last name, email address, and country code, job role, let's say like consultant or a fresher or whatever it is. You can mention your company name and from which country you are registering, and what's the size of the company. And just click on I'm not a robot, and just click on register now. So when you click on register now, you will get the email for you. And check the timings exactly, because this is not in the it's not in IST time zone. You have to check. This is one is, see, January 8th, you have 11 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. It is in central time, US and Canada. So you have again, see, this timings is different. Again, it's an Eastern time. So you have the different time zones. So you just check it out, the time zone, and register for it, so that you can be able to attend once completely. You have to attend the the training completely once. After, if you attend the complete training, you will get the email again for your successful completion of the training. After that successful completion of training, you can be able to use that particular coupon, which is you got this coupon for this particular Microsoft virtual training day program. Okay, the same you need to apply for other trainings as well. See, you have like list of trainings. There are, I think, around 56 training which is now provided by the Microsoft. So you can just choose according to your skill set and register it and write the Microsoft certification exam, and it is global wide, it is valid. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share you. Thank you so much. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.